Yo, what's up YouTube? It's G-Dog back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a solo run in zero gravity. Let's get it. So we got the shutter, and then we got pickaxe. Gonna do some mining. A ray gun, because it's gonna be risky. And one more thing. Yeah, the grappler. Alright, we're ready, so let's get it. Let's go. Gotta be careful. There's a landmine. We don't want to step on that. Again, we're gonna grapple up so we can get down faster. Yo! We're going down. Okay, we got. Oh, hell no! These things only attack me if I don't have light. Oh, what's even worse, look over there. We got tentacles. No, no, no. Oh, nah, bro. No, 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 no. Don't worry, it's not gonna do anything. We're high up. It's not gonna touch us or... Ow, I got hit by those jelly things. Crap, crap. He's gone. He went back over there. No, no. Okay, now we have to go through this way. Go past Mimic. The black bomb is instant kill. And the blue bomb, it's only gonna make you blind. Okay. We got another red light, green light. And the big black red bomb. The red big bomb is also instant kill. Okay, so we just made it past red light, green light. Yeah. And let's go through this tunnel right here. We're going down. Wow. Alright, we're going over there. We don't want to die. No, 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 no! Oh crap. Okay, we're on this tunnel. Now we're going through this one. Okay, this is too tiny. I could easily get stuck in here, but we made it. We're going down again. Oh crap. Why did I stop? Why did I stop? Alright, we're gonna go through here. This is where the evil nun is. Not over here, but down to that tunnel over there. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no. I almost died. I almost died. I almost died. Bro, I'm so scared. My heart's gonna race for this one. Crap. No. Oh, nah. Bro, I'm scared. Okay, I gotta go fast. I gotta go fast. Oh, they missed me. Okay, now I'm going down. Going down. Up, up. Those things are in the way. And we made it. Okay, this is the hardest part. How am I gonna do this with one hand? Alright. Crap. Alright, I'm gonna do this in a minute.
5 minutes later.
Okay, guys. So we gotta mine like this. You see a pickaxe. I'm gonna go up there. big chunk! Crap. Gotta bring this over back. I don't know why they're making fan noises. I hope there's no ghosts in this code, cause I'm solo. Alright, I'm trying to get that. No! Give me that flashlight! No, the flashlight! I need it! I need it! I need it! I need it! I can't grab. Why I can't grab it? Flashlight! Come back here! Let me grab you! Oh, I can't grab it! Why I can't grab it? Alright, enough. Forget the flashlight. We'll just get back to mining. Okay, we got 2 chunks. I'll get up there, mine these. Get these. I don't know why I turned it off. I was supposed to leave it on. The shutter stays on. That's why it's making this noise. If you guys already know or don't know. Okay, we're just gonna keep mining those. I got them. Okay, keep mining. No, not the giant chunks! Okay, I got the chunks. But there's one over there. Okay, we got a tiny one. Okay, we're gonna bring the big one back. We got it. We got it. One more. Okay, that's nothing. We're going down. Oh crap, this is risky. No! Alright, we found the chunks. I'm gonna mine these. My shutter's still not full. How is it not full yet? Oh, oh no. No, 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 no. Got it. Gonna mine these. Oh no! The other chunk is flying away. Oh no! Whoa. Not the jellies! No, I touched him. At least I lost a little bit of health. It's fine. Alright, grab this. Oh no, there's a tentacle in the way. Yeah, this is too risky. I see why people don't come down here often anymore. Okay, I'm going back up. I'm going back up. Okay, we got... Oh, come on, Shutter. You have to be full already. I'm tired of this place. I'm tired of it. Alright, let's grab these. Oh, the Shutter got it. Yeah, it was on, you see. I'm doing a solo run. Oh, we found these. It's still going. Some of the chunks are flying. Yeah, but still not full, guys. Why is it not full yet? There's no way. Oh, I see more over there. Oh. You guys can't see me behind the wall. Alright, I gotta get more. Oh! Finally it's full. See guys, look, it's full. Oh. Alright, now we gotta get out of here. Alright guys, let's get out of here. I think the exit is that way. Is this the exit? No, not this way. Oh my god, I think we're lost. Dude, we're back at the beginning. What am I doing back in the beginning? Okay guys, we gotta find our way out. Our shredder is full. Yeah guys, our shredder is full and now we gotta find a way out. Oh. We're not lost. Oh crap. Tentacles! I hate them! No, we almost touched it! Come on, go, 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 go. Ow! Those jelly things, they're getting on my nerves. Ugh. Those jelly things, they're on my nerves. Yeah, we're just gonna get out of here, guys. Our shredder's full. I know I said that already, but... Ah! We almost touched these... Okay, why am I on the wall? Ah! Yeah. See? These things are risky. Oh no, 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 no. No, die! No! We worked so hard! We can't start over! What's shocking is, it is 4 o'clock in the morning where I'm at right now. Okay. Guys, this is the hardest part. You see this? There's anglerfish. Wait a minute, there's 2 of them! Two of them? Why there's two of them? Oh no. Okay, I'm grappling up. I can't let them see me. Oh, there's one down there. Oh, I hear Ogre too. Ogre's down here too. Ogre's down here too. Why? Okay, we gotta make a run. No, no, no. Quick, get me out! Get me on me! Yes! We did it! We made it back here. And yeah, I lost my grappler. But I have to risk it. I have to leave my grappler. Alright. We got the full back. I mean full shredder. Alright, let's see how much we got. Ah! Don't mind my hand, it's in the way. Ah. Just pushing all the buttons. Okay, we got it. We got 10K. Not bad. 10K is not bad. Yes, we did it. We completed the solo run. And we did not die. But almost did. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked the video and subscribe. I will be posting more videos like this, so subscribe for more. Peace out.